Hey there, Corey. Jose here with SEO Monster Design. I bumped into you the other morning at the Care Circle where your roofers were doing some work, and we talked about me sending you this video. So here it is as promised. So today I'm going to give you 3 tips that you could actually implement yourselves that will bring you more clients in, or at least more traffic to your website. I don't want to waste too much of your time or mine, so let's get right to it. First of all, I just want to say you guys have a good looking website. There's just a couple of things we can go over. And again, I'm just going to give you 3 tips. The first one is content. Okay, by content, I mean everything you can highlight with when you go through the website. Okay, that's your pictures and your images. And the reason for that is you look like the more knowledgeable company when you have more content to Google. Okay, so another thing is you want to put you like this free consultation button right here, you want to make it stand out more so that people can go ahead and contact you very quickly. You want to put a number up here. Say you got your number in here, but it's not clickable. So this is costing you traffic. Okay, because people usually look it up on their phone. So whenever you have a number on there, you want them to be able to click on it and call from it. Okay, so that's another thing. But the reason you want content, more words, is because you can add more keywords, and we'll go over that here in a bit. Right here, where I pulled up yourself and your competitors. You want more keywords, and also on your picture. For example, this one right here. If I go to save as, see how it's saved as Steward Construction, Amarillo, Texas Construction. You want to save it as a keyword that people are looking up. Let's say people have never heard of your company. You want somebody that's looking for roofers in Amarillo, remodeling in Amarillo. So you want to save it under those specific keywords, because those words are the ones that have thousands, hundreds, if not thousands of searches a month. Okay, now I did pull up a couple of your top competitors that show up on the first page of Google when you look up roofing in Amarillo. And I chose roofing because that's what you guys were doing when I was there. So here's your numbers. Okay, now keep in mind that you got to be in positions 1 through 10 to be in the first page of Google. And as you can see, you only have these 3 words over here. The keywords are Steward Construction, Amarillo Construction Companies, and Steward Construction. Again, so really you only have 2 words that you're ranking for, and one of them is in the 3rd position. The rest of these words, which is roofing, roofing companies, roofer, you're not showing up on Google for. Now let me show you what your competitors look like. Kelly Roofing. Let's go ahead and I'll put yours in order and let's put theirs. Kelly Roofing Amarillo. Roofing Amarillo, 250 searches, as you can see here. Roofing Amarillo TX, 150 searches. Let's see here. Roofing Amarillo 250, Roofing Amarillo TX 150. I think that's the same ones. Roofing Contractor Amarillo, 50 searches a month. They're still under the 10th positions. Amarillo Roofers, another 250. Roofers Amarillo, another 250. Now they seem similar, but they're different. See, since their name is known so well, Kelly Roofing, they have 1,100 searches a month just for their name. And as you can see, for Steward Construction, you still have 100 searches a month, 30, so 130 searches a month, which is still pretty good. But I mean, it's not as much as you can get, right? Because there's already thousands of searches for roofing companies in Amarillo. Here's Mayfield Roofing. Their name is searched a little bit, 40 searches a month. Amarillo Roofers is searched 100 times a month, a more general term. That's what you want to rank for. Roofing Amarillo TX, 150 searches a month. So they're ranking for the same words, but different positions. No 2 companies can be in the same position for the same word. But they only have a few words they're ranking for as well. So everybody can do a lot better. But those are the key words. That's the first tip that I wanted to give you guys, is more content so you can add more of these keywords and therefore rank for more of those keywords. Now, the second tip I wanted to give you is power. Your website needs more power. Now, this right here, this tool that I use is called Ahrefs.com. If you want to go look it up. But this is your power, your front page power, and this is your overall website power of 4. And this is what let's see, Kelly Roofing looks like. Front page power of 20 and overall website of power of 1.7. So it's not too different. Mayfield is a 13 and a 19. That one's a little more powerful, but that'll mean much. Now the way they get power is through backlinks. Now what a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours. That's what brings you power. And you want to get powerful backlinks because there is spammy ones. Now the powerful backlinks come from powerful websites. When there's a link that leads back to your website, some of that power from that website transfers to yours. So you got to get more backlinks. You have 95 backlinks right now. Kelly Roofing has 1,000. Mayfield has 100. Okay, now yours may be a little more spammier than Mayfield. That's why you're not kind of close to their power. But that's the second tip. The third tip is here in the map pack. How do you beat them here on the map pack? And the answer is citations. What a citation is anytime you list your business name, phone number, and address on an online directory such as Yelp.com or YellowPages.com, that's what a citation is. And you need more citations than your competitors. Okay? You need to be signed in or listed on more directories than your competitors. That's one of the main determining factors on whether you'll win here on the map pack or not. Because the top 3 that you see here take about 40% of all the traffic that comes through Google. And down here on the organic section, there's another 40%. And then the ads take another 20-25%. Okay? So I hope this video has been useful for you. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to call me. My name is Jose. My number is 806-268-7118. You guys have a good one.